What's going on, guys? We just put in our potentially first higher low on Bitcoin and the crypto space in about 6 or 7 months. Little meme here, me reading yet another post that says this is the final shakeout before new highs. Dude, yeah, the last 6, 7 months has been so boring for the market, so brutal. But we might have just set our first higher low to start uptrending and get out of here. So if we go on to the daily, right, we could see since our high back here in March, we've just set lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, high, higher low, potentially. Now what we really want to see is a break of this high at like 65K, and I think that will uh, pretty clearly mark a shift in momentum. And we could see here we possibly have like this inverse head and shoulders kind of forming. So we had a really solid day for Bitcoin, went from like 54-ish to touching 58. So looks good. Nice day. Altcoins moved up a little as well. XRP, like, still nothing crazy though, 54 cents. But I think once we really get Bitcoin out of here, breaking all-time highs, I really believe that will be the time for alt season, because Bitcoin dominance looks really fishy up here. I'm expecting this to break down, and like a lot of the spaces, a lot of people are expecting this to finally break down and get the altcoins moving. But we'll have to wait and see. Gonna run through some tweets for you today. Here from Cousins Crypto, Bitcoin casually put in its first higher low in almost 200 days. Potential rate cuts are next week. Fear and greed index was an extreme fear. Bottom signals are flying left and right. Time to pray. And hopefully, man, hopefully this is the start. Same here from the charting guy. Possibly just made its first higher low. We need a higher high over the August highs to confirm the uptrend. Yep. And then he also overlaid here this gold fractal on top of Bitcoin. The gold fractal is over a much longer time span, but it does look very similar to what Bitcoin's doing, and it would suggest that it's almost time to get up out of here and break out. So hopefully that is what is coming next. Here from Tony the Bull, narrowing of the Bollinger Band shows volatility cycling in action, just showing how when we get to these cycles, right, the Bollinger Band volatility comes up, right? So we would expect over the next few months, like towards the end of this year, December to maybe early 2025, we would see a top in the volatility and probably a top in the price as well. But time will tell, right? Here from Crypto Michael, imagine selling your Bitcoin at the bottom of the biggest bull flag in history. Couldn't be me. And then the recent dump was very effective at shaking people out. That was the intention. Whales know this bull flag will break up. BlackRock bought your bags at the bottom. If you held, you will reap the rewards with the big boys. If you sold, this game ain't for you. And then a chart here from Mikey the Bull on altcoins, just showing the altcoin market, total market cap is getting ready for this next move up, is what it looks like, at least, right? It looks like just a bull flag, right? We pumped up, and then we just had this downward consolidation, hopefully just going to resolve to the upside. Then a parabolic trend here from AO. The most powerful part of the Bitcoin bull run begins. Obviously, we've been seeing this comparison to the 2017 cycle a lot, and it continues to look very similar, and we're almost at the time where this thing should be breaking out. We're basically there. From Chimsu, holy S, 2,000 Bitcoin of shorts just puked on Bybit with this move up. Retail was massively short. So yeah, big nuke and open interest as we had these pump up candles from like 57 to 58K. And then here from Kush, volatility is the price of admission, showing another chart that he believes looks similar and what came afterwards. And he would say that would send Bitcoin to like 250K, which would be nice. Bitcoin goes to 250K. Imagine what your alt bags are going to be doing. Then from the GOAT, Credible Crypto. Dude, he tweeted this yesterday. Credible senses are tingling for the first time in a very long time. So just took what may be the last shorts on majors within this multi-month range. My bull brother, and the wait is nearly over. So he thinks we are very close to the start of our next impulsive move. Also here from Credible, make the most of the next small dip because it may just be your last. The stars are aligning. A bit more confirmation, and I will share everything I am seeing. The next couple weeks are pivotal. So this is good that he is seeing this because he's been pretty spot on for the last 2 years or so with everything that he's been calling for the most part. So hopefully he's right, right? From Ominix, no one will believe this until it actually happens. Just waiting for this breakout still, dude. And he's right. No one's going to believe this in this breakout until it happens. And then they're going to be left in the dust. They're going to be in shock, man. It's crazy. Tuck Rico says it's beautiful. Just showing basically our same chart for XRP with the Bollinger Bands, and it's way tighter than 2017. This is only going to end one way. Rocket ship up. I agree. I think that's what's coming. Now, the one negative piece of news we have, Capo, in his private Telegram or whatever this is, said 6 months of consolidation for Solana below the previous all-time high. It's time for expansion. No, man. Come on, dude. Capo, just be quiet. Why does he got to say this? Now we're dumping for sure, man. Capo is the ultimate inverse crypto correlator. So hopefully he's right this time. But, dude, we don't want Capo to be bullish. He was bearish the whole way up. Now he's bullish. So that would be hilarious if we topped here and just broke down. But we'll have to wait and see. Was an exciting day. Nice to see a bit of a bounce on Bitcoin. Pulling back a little bit now from where we were at. But hope you enjoyed the little update. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like if you did like it. And subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.